Hello, friends. Welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. There was a rumor going that Pixel is not giving that much Pixel token to the players, even who are having VIP. Who are having VIP, they are also not getting that much Pixel token. It's to some extent true, but not 100% true because yesterday I got two times 5 pixel task. Let's today start with our journey and let's see that what's the token or what's the task board is offering us. Okay, and one important thing for all players, that you must keep on increasing your coin. If you are not getting pixel token, it's fine, you just keep on increasing your coin so that when you will get pixel token or you will get some opportunity, you can use your coin to earn some pixel token. So let's check out that Hazel's dashboard, pixel taskboard, and click on orders. uh, First, let's see. Okay, only one pixel task is there, and that I have to prepare 6 carrot pie. So first I will sell this, then that one, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 blackberry cotton candy. I'll buy. I'll go to VIP. I am having that, but still I will try to buy. 127 blackberry, swirl or blackberry. I just have forgotten. Blackberry cotton candy. Okay, it's easy. You can buy it and sell it. Blackberry swirl is bit costly, but blackberry cotton candy, it not that much costly. I can buy, no problem. Come here, deliver. Well, this thing I am not going to deliver right now. Why so? If I deliver 100 honey, I will get 100 coins, but I will check in the market that what is the price of honey. Though it's not a costly thing, but still it's a very important ingredients. Look, if I sell 100 honey in the market, then I would have get much more price rather than selling there. So I cannot sell it from my storage. I have 419 in my storage, but still I am not going to sell it because I have sold other ingredients and the task board is almost empty. So I am waiting for next round of task what they will deliver. uh Potato, right? Let's check potato if it is. Well, 10, I can buy this. I can buy this. It may it may be bit costly, but still I will get back 2000 coin out of it, and one task board will be empty. That is my idea, and that is the way you can finish your task board quickly. Yes, I can do this, right? Well, now hardwood, 25 hardwood for 100. Definitely it will be more costly, but I have to check that what will be the best price for that hardwood in the market. Hardwood, look, it's not possible for me to spend that much, and I am storing those hardwood. I am having hardwood in my storage, but I will not spend only for 100 coin. So basically I will go and prepare 6 carrot pie for 1 pixel token, and before that I must check that what are the new tasks are coming. Not yet pixel tasks. So far only 1 pixel task I got. So I will finish these once again. Why I am selling those? Because I can grow those things in the market, and this is easily available, but I cannot sell those hardwood for easily. That's why, because it's not available easily, so I have to store it, as this is very much precious thing, and I have to take care of those things so that I can keep those things in my storage, as well as I can sell when it's really necessary. As you can see, I can finish these tasks. I can complete these tasks without any hassle. I am having those things in my storage, and easily I can finish this. So the least time I am waiting is 3 seconds. I'll check, and then okay, astrakas. Fine. So what I will do, I will buy 60 astragas cactus seed and go to that land. Oh, there is already some astracactus. That's fine. Yesterday I sowed those things. Now I am harvesting, and today I have bought another round of 60 astracactus seed. So I can use those. I can sell in the marketplace, and definitely I will earn some coin, as well as try to finish up those task board as much as possible, because you never know when the next pixel task will be coming. It's true that you are not getting that much task nowadays, but still you must not stop playing. As you will play more and more, there is a chance of getting pixel more and more. As you can see, I have finished so many tasks in front of you, and no more pixel task I found in the next round even. But for the first time, whatever I got, that is 1 pixel for 6 carrot pie, and that is still there. So no new pixel task has been added into my task board. That's a bit unfortunate for me, but what I am doing is I am trying more and more. If I am not getting a pixel in regular basis, I will try to increase the number of coins. And for that reason, you saw that I bought 10 hotato for almost 4,000 coin, and I earned only 2,000 coin. That is just because of finishing the task. And as I am having those luxury of spending the coins, you can see I am having almost 2 lakhs coins, though it's not a huge number of coins, but still it's some amount of coin, so I can afford those. Right now what I will do, I will go to Terravilla. I will gain some energy from Sona, do 2 to 3 things, and going back to Bucks Galore once again before finishing this round, this episode, because you'll see that in the span of 5 to 10 minutes, whatever job I have done and how I tried to get as much as possible the pixel task, but it's my bad luck that I couldn't get more than 1 pixel task so far. But still, you keep on trying, and whenever you will gain some energy, you'll get some energy, you just keep on harvesting crops. You can check my inventory, and there are lots of crops already harvested. So it is the advantage that when there will be any new pixel task or any new coin task in the task board, you can fulfill it at once and try to get another task in due time. That's why I am trying to harvest as much as possible. So whenever I get energy, I'm trying to fulfill those. Let's see. Ah, Popberry, carrot, clover, grainbow, butterberry, even gramkin. Okay, nevertheless, I'll just buy 6 cooking mix and head to Karen's house, so that I'll start preparing those 6 carrot pie and come here to Bucks Galore, sell it to gain that precious 1 pixel token. That's all, my friends. This is the way I am trying to play nowadays, because it's true that pixel is getting very less. And that's all. I'm finishing this episode. So next time we will see with new strategy, and if I get any day much more pixel than this, I'll definitely upload it and share with you, my friends. Thank you very much.